Ford Australia has announced that the Ranger and Everest have both achieved a full 5-star safety rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, ANCAP, with the UDA/SUV twins scoring top marks for occupant protection and crash avoidance technology. However, while the Ranger's ANCAP score applies across the single cab, extended cab, and dual cab body styles, the high-performance Ranger Raptor is conspicuously absent from the list of models that ANCAP score applies to. That's largely down to the Raptor's 3.0-liter twin-turbo petrol engine, which is unique to the Raptor variant and different enough from the 2.0-liter diesel 4 and 3.0-liter diesel V6 to ensure that crash data obtained from testing those models doesn't necessarily translate. An ANCAP spokesperson told CarsGuide that an extension of the Ranger's 5-star score to the Raptor would be contingent on Ford supplying Raptor-specific crash data to the independent safety body. But when asked whether that information was likely to be provided by Ford in the near future, ANCAP spokesperson replied that it was unlikely. The new generation Ford Ranger 2023 lineup sees a longer wheelbase, which makes it less appealing for serious off-roaders, CarsGuide can reveal. That's because the longer wheelbase, now 3,270 millimeters, up 50 millimeters on the previous gen Ranger, has an adverse effect on the ramp breakover angle of the new UDA. The new breakover angle for 2023 Ranger models is 21 degrees on XLT and Wildtrak and 20 degrees on XL and XLS. For context, the last gen model had a rampover angle of 25 degrees, and not even the new gen Raptor can match that, with 24 degrees. Because the prices of the previous generation model crept up continually as curtains drew to a close, the gap between new and old Raptor isn't as big as you might think. Don't get me wrong, $85,490 plus on-road costs is still a lot of money for a four-wheel drive UDA, especially before you factor in on-road costs. But people are paying more for a 79 series Land Cruiser, so there's that. It's worth noting that the Ranger Raptor originally hit the market with a significantly lower price tag of $74,900, plus on-road costs, in 2018. The last Raptor we drove and jumped was a 2021 Ranger Raptor X, which had an asking price of $79,390 before on-road costs. The new Ranger Raptor also picks up a permanent all-wheel drive system, which employs an electronically controlled Borg-Warner clutch pack system.